let's resume our lecture about significant figure. If you look here for those numbers, we do have 4 numbers. So which numbers are significant and which are not, and how to count them? Whole numbers, which we call them non-zero integers, are all significant. So 1, 2, 3, 4 has 4 significant figures. 9, 2 has 2 significant figures. Okay, 302 has 3 significant figures, and so on. Leading zeros. What do you mean by the leading zero? The first significant figure in a measurement is the first digit other than zero counting from left to right. So here you have a decimal place. After it, you have 2 zeros, and then 4, 5. These zeros are not counted as significant. They are not significant. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 are not significant. And the first significant figure here is 4. Captive zeros, zeros within a number, are always significant. So all of these numbers are significant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 significant figures. Again, all the numbers that are captive, all the zeros that are captive, captive means hidden, they are considered significant. So if you have a number 10.003, okay, this number has how many significant figures? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 significant figures. Trailing zeros. What are the trailing zeros? The zeros at end of numbers, but to the right of the decimal point. This is the decimal point, right? This is the decimal point. So the numbers to the right at the end of the number, but to the right of the decimal point are counted. So this one has 2 more significant figure, and here 1, so total of 3 significant figure. 3 significant figures. Okay, so you need to measure if you have any number 3.00, okay, 3 significant figure. If you make it 4 zeros, 4 significant figure, because this tells you the accuracy of the measuring instrument you are using. This means that your instrument, this is the reading, but your instrument can measure digits until 3 significant figures. So it can give this number or that number and so on. So it's very important to be taken in consideration. So the zeros are significant if the number contains decimal, but these zeros are not significant. So this number has only 1 significant figure. All numbers that are not obtained by measuring, we call them exact numbers, or we call them counting numbers, like 12 apples, 100 people. These numbers are exact numbers. Now we will recap the rules for significant figure. First, count the number of digits in a measurement from left to right. Okay, if you have number like those, count the numbers from left to right. Start with the first non-zero digit. So if you have a number here, don't count it. Start with the non